For more than 20 years, Alarm System Innovators has provided residential, commercial, industrial, and government security services to thousands of satisfied customers throughout the state of Wisconsin.
Hi, how are you?
Good, come on in.
Here are some of our most trusted customers explaining why they use Alarm System Innovators.
My name is Jim Benz with Irgens Development Partners. I'm a vice president there of the Construction and Design Division. We've been working with Alarm Systems Innovators for about 8 years now. They have done a number of large installations for us. I like Don because his company has shown to be very competitive, very quality oriented. They've followed up with every issue that we need to. They've been timely in their installations, and he's been very honest to work with. If you're looking for a commercial or residential alarm system service, I would highly recommend Don Vincent with ASI.
Hi, I'm Donnie Vincent. Call us today for a free on-site evaluation for all your security needs.